We all love exploring new places to dine and eat delicious food. It's all about the experience. Juhu's Cafe Arpan is just one such place that will make you experience something like never before. The unique proposition of this cafe is that it is run by differently abled adults who suffer from Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and autism. Cafe Arpan is started by Ms. Sushma Nagarkar, who is the founder of Yash Charitable Trust that helps the specially abled by giving them equal opportunities in life and grooming them for the real world. And with Cafe Arpan, they are trying to achieve just that.
I'm a parent of a 32-year-old with autism as well as a professional. So I've worked in the field of disabilities for many, many years. When we started the trust in 2014, we really didn't know what to do by way of employment and all the rest of it. But we knew that we wanted to head in the direction of being based in the community where everyone would be part of the community. It chanced upon us that we had a friend who was running a tiffin service from her home. So one day she and I got into a conversation and we said, you know, why not? This tiffin service, the components of the tiffin service is something that even our individuals who have lower abilities, if you will, can do. So let's try it. So 2015 was when our tiffin service was launched. It's called Arpan Tiffin Service, Arpan Dabba Service.
Sushma, being a parent of a differently abled adult, has herself experienced the difficulties faced by a differently abled person. She strongly feels that they are humans first and deserve a chance of a normal and independent life.
Tiffin service is going on and it's a very viable option. Unfortunately, we only have 200 square feet of space. So the number of beneficiaries or individuals that we can take on the team are limited because there's just not enough space. At the time, my other daughter who lives in the US sent us a video clip about a cafe in the Philippines called the Puzzle Cafe, which was opened by parents of a young person with autism. And the reason for opening that was because they wanted to provide gainful employment to that person in their family. So we said, why not? We found space in January and finally opened a small cafe on August 2nd.
Welcome to Cafe Arpan. Please have a seat.
People wanting to join Cafe Arpan first start working with Arpan Tiffin Service and gradually transition to the cafe. The staff has been professionally trained and groomed under Ashita Mahajan, who is one of the members of Yash Charitable Trust. The cafe serves delicious cakes, sandwiches, as well as cold and warm beverages to suit everyone's taste buds. The interiors are warm, just like the people working in it. The walls are filled with photos of staff and a pinboard of lovely messages and motivating feedback by the guests, making the ambience of the cafe feel even more positive.
The kind of training that we've provided them has been very basic, which is simple things like, we've asked our team to think of Cafe Arpan, it's their home. So how do you greet someone when they come into your home? You welcome them in first, then you ask them to have a seat, you offer them water, you offer them something to eat. So it's really rewarding to think that the basic training that we have provided them will now have a long-lasting effect on not just them but also their families and their friends.
Hi, I'm Samvid's mother. I'm very happy that Sushma trains children, I will say adults. They train them so well and they really are very happy to work here, I would say.
Hi, my name is Samvidh and I've learned cooking here.
I'm Godavari, Anand's mother, and I'm very proud Anand is coming here from last 3 years. I am very happy and because I feel the vibrations are very positive here.
मुझे कैफे में काम करना अच्छा लगता है.
The response has been absolutely phenomenal. We knew that Cafe Arpan would definitely catch people's attention because it is a little different from anything else that exists right now. Our customers are just really happy to be served by our team.
The concept is super fresh, very different.
We are very happy that somebody thought about this. We would like to come again.
I think for them it's a really different experience. It's something unique. None of our servers will approach a customer without a big smile on their face, and that's the, you know, it ends up happening that the customer smiles back, and it's just a really happy interaction. It's a happy order, and they go home feeling not just full in the tummy but feeling full in the heart also.
Projects like Arpan Tiffin Service and Cafe Arpan are just the beginning in creating a positive world for equal opportunities for all.
We hope will serve as an inspiration for others. Or on the other hand, we're very open to anybody else who wishes to adopt our model or, you know, walk in the same footsteps as ours, coming in, and we're happy to give them the tools and the guidance that was provided to us, and they can start their own cafe in their own community.